Hey Nancy, have you heard about virtual credit cards?
Yes, I have. It's a great way to avoid credit card fraud and keep your personal information secure.
Absolutely. And have you also heard about free virtual cards?
Yes, I have. It's a fantastic option for those who don't want to pay annual fees on their credit cards.
And there's also the option of a virtual debit card, which is linked to your bank account and can be used to make purchases online.
That's true. However, I prefer to use a credit card as it offers more protection against fraud and other issues.
That's a good point. And have you looked into the top cashback credit cards?
Yes, I have. They offer fantastic rewards and cashback options. But it's important to choose the one that suits your lifestyle and spending habits.
Definitely. And there are so many different credit cards to choose from. It can be overwhelming.
Yes, it can be. But with a little research, you can find the best credit card that fits your needs.
Absolutely. And the good news is that there are many credit card companies that offer free credit cards and virtual credit cards.
That's great to know. It means you don't have to pay to have a credit card and can still enjoy the benefits of virtual payments.
Exactly. And with the rise of online shopping, virtual credit cards are becoming more popular than ever.
Yes, and it's also a convenient option for those who travel frequently and want to avoid carrying physical cards.
Agreed. Virtual credit cards are definitely the way of the future.
And with all the choices available, it's easy to find the one that fits your lifestyle and budget.
That's right. Virtual credit cards are a great option for anyone looking for a secure and convenient payment method.
Hey, Emma. Have you ever used a virtual card before?
No, I haven't. What's that?
It's a digital card that you can use for online shopping or any other transactions. You don't have to worry about losing a physical card or risking your financial information.
That sounds useful. How can I get one?
There are several options available online, but I recommend using a reliable website. You can search for a website that provides a free virtual card.
How to do that?
Simply type "free virtual card" on the search engine, and you will see some options. Make sure to read the reviews and check if they have a good reputation.
All right, what else should I consider?
Well, some websites might ask for personal information like your address, ID, or social security number. You should be careful not to share any sensitive information.
Got it. Are there any websites that you recommend?
Yes, you can try out Entrapay or Ecoin. They are reliable and easy to use.
Thanks for the information, Sarah. I'll check them out and see what suits my needs.
No problem, Emma. Always remember to be careful with online transactions and keep your financial information safe.
Hey Emma, have you heard about the top cash-back credit cards available in the market?
No, I haven't. Can you tell me more about them?
Of course. Cashback credit cards offers a percentage of the amount spent back in cash to its users. It's a great way of earning cash on purchases you're already making.
That sounds amazing. Which credit cards do you recommend?
Well, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers a flat 1.5% cash back on all purchases, with no annual fee. Another great option is the Citi Double Cash card that offers 1% cash back on all purchases, and another 1% when you pay it off.
That sounds fantastic. Are there any other cards that you recommend?
Yes, the Amex Blue Cash Preferred card offers 6% cash back on groceries, 3% on gas and department stores, and 1% on everything else. Although it does have an annual fee of $95.
That sounds like a great option for those who frequently spend on groceries and gas. What about travel rewards? Any good credit cards for that?
Yes, the Capital One Venture card offers 2 miles per dollar spent on all purchases, which can be redeemed for travel rewards such as flights and hotels.
That's amazing. I'll definitely look into getting one of these cashback credit cards.
Absolutely do. These cards can help you earn some extra cash while making everyday purchases.
Hey Sarah, have you heard about the virtual card for PayPal?
No, I haven't. What is it?
It's a card that you can use to make online purchases, but it's not a physical card. It's a virtual card that's linked to your PayPal account.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
Basically, when you want to make a purchase, you generate a unique card number and CVV code that you use for that transaction. It's more secure than using your actual credit card number for every purchase.
That's really useful. Can I use it for all my online purchases?
Yes, you can use it for any online store that accepts PayPal. Plus, you can set spending limits and expiration dates for each virtual card to help manage your spending.
Wow, that sounds like an excellent way to stay on top of my online spending. How do I get started?
It's easy. Just log into your PayPal account and go to the virtual cards section. From there, you can create new virtual cards and manage your existing ones.
Thanks for telling me about this, Nancy. I'll definitely give it a try.
No problem. It's always good to have an extra layer of security for online shopping.
Hey Emma, have you ever thought about opening an account with Bank of America?
Not really. Why do you ask?
Well, I've been with Bank of America for years and I'm really happy with their services. Their online banking is so easy to use and their mobile app is great too.
That's good to know. What kind of services do they offer aside from basic banking?
They have a lot of financial products like credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. Their credit card rewards program is also really nice.
Interesting. How's their customer service like?
I have always had good experiences with their customer service. They have a 24/7 hotline and the representatives are very helpful and friendly.
Sounds great. How about their fees and charges?
They do have some fees, but it's all disclosed up front so there are no surprises. Plus, they have a lot of options for avoiding fees like direct deposit or maintaining a minimum balance.
Thanks for the information, Tina. I think I might give Bank of America a try.
You're welcome. If you need any help setting up your account or have any other questions, let me know.